Are you thinking about moving to another state but feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm breaking down the essential steps to make your interstate move as smooth and stress-free as possible. Let's get started. First things first, plan ahead. Create a timeline for your move. Decide your moving date and start working backward to ensure everything is on track. Make a checklist of all tasks, from giving notice at your current place to setting up utilities in your new home. Remember, a solid plan saves time, money, and stress. Next, research your destination. Learn about the cost of living, neighborhoods, schools, and job opportunities. Visit your new state beforehand if possible. Explore the area to get familiar with your future surroundings. If you can't visit, use online resources, forums, and social media groups to connect with locals. Moving can get expensive, so set a realistic budget. Factor in costs like hiring movers, renting a truck, gas, packing supplies, and deposits for your new place. Get multiple quotes from moving companies to find the best deal. Or consider a DIY move if you're on a tighter budget. Pro tip: look out for hidden costs like parking permits or fees for moving large items. Moving is the perfect time to declutter. Go through your belongings and decide what to keep, donate, or sell. Once you've decluttered, start packing early. Pack room by room, label each box, and keep an inventory. Pack a first-night box with essentials like toiletries, clothes, snacks, and important documents so you're not scrambling to find them. Don't forget to update your address with the post office, your bank, insurance providers, and subscription services. If you're moving for work, inform your employer and discuss transferring any benefits or paperwork. Set up utilities like electricity, water, and internet in your new home ahead of time. As moving day approaches, confirm details with your moving company or rental truck. Double-check your checklist to make sure everything's packed. If you're driving to your new state, plan your route and book accommodations if it's a long trip. Remember to keep important documents and valuables with you at all times. Congratulations, you've arrived. Now it's time to unpack and make your new space feel like home. Start with the essentials and take your time with the rest. Introduce yourself to neighbors and explore your new community. This will help you feel more connected and settled. Update your driver's license, vehicle registration, and voter registration as soon as possible. And that's it. Moving to another state can seem daunting, but with proper planning and these tips, you'll be ready for this exciting new chapter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might